Hello and welcome to Mastering Wireshark 3.2. My name is Rick Bodner and I will be the instructor for you for this course. Let me give you a little bit of background about myself. I am an IT professional with about 25 years or so of experience. I have most of my experience in networking technologies, TCP/IP, IP routing, site-to-site VPN, DNS, those types of things. I also have a background with Active Directory and PowerShell, IIS, and a variety of different types of scripting languages, including PowerShell, PHP, Python, those types of scripting languages. And if you want to get a hold of me, you can reach me on my Twitter account or my website listed in this slide right here. So let's do a quick course overview. This course is broken down into 8 different sections. The first section will cover the GUI interface in Wireshark and also how to customize that interface. In section 2, we're going to cover using Wireshark for capturing data, basic network capturing, packet captures, and stuff like that. In section 3, we're going to learn how to examine and analyze network traffic. In section 4, we're going to look at analyzing different types of network protocols like TCP and UDP, those types of things. In section 5, we're going to cover analyzing application protocols. Protocols like DHCP, DNS, FTP, those types of things. In section 6, we're going to cover Wireshark command line tools, things like Tshark. We're going to cover those things in that section. In section 7, we're going to expand upon everything that we learned in the previous sections and cover some different types of troubleshooting scenarios. In section 8, we're going to further expand upon our Wireshark discussion and talk about other ways that we can capture packets and where we can get packet captures from. So some prerequisites for this course. Viewers should have some kind of knowledge about the OSI model and TCP/IP in general. A little bit of knowledge of Python is assumed for learning PyShark. You don't need to know a whole lot, but you do need to be familiar with it and how to download it and install it. There should be some sort of familiarity with Wireshark. It's preferred to have a familiarity with it. It's not required to understand the specifics of this course, but it would help out. Basic programming knowledge, just an understanding of some basic principles like variables, loops, those types of things. And also having a familiarity with network protocols is also going to be helpful. So you have an understanding of how a basic network is configured and set up. What will you use in this course? Well, of course, we're going to use Wireshark, which is freely available and you can download from www.wireshark.org. You can also download Python, because we'll be using that as well, and you can get that from python.org/downloads. You'll also need access to a basic home network or a local area network, so you can actually do some packet captures. And you should be familiar with PowerShell or some sort of command line interface as well. So we'll be using that as well. Course goals. Hopefully, by the time you're done with this course, you'll have an understanding of how to use Wireshark to help troubleshoot a variety of different issues like drop packets or latency issues or trying to identify malicious activity on your network. You'll have an understanding of how to capture and analyze network traffic to see what is happening on your network. It'll help you troubleshoot different types of network problems, such as problems with DHCP or DNS. And you'll have an understanding of how to use PyShark to modify Wireshark captures and filter packets. You'll also be able to verify communications by analyzing your network and understand how network protocols work, how to capture those types of things, how to analyze them. Same thing with application protocols, being able to troubleshoot problems with those and being able to examine them. And then basically have an understanding of how you could possibly expand upon the basic capabilities of Wireshark and using things like plugins and Tshark and PyShark. So let's go ahead and get started.